In this video, I just want to compare this new staple-free stapler compared to the old-fashioned stapler guns. So I'm just going to open it and show you what it looks like inside. So what we have inside is a little bit of an instruction manual with very tiny text. You'll need a magnifying glass for that. And here is the stapleless stapler. So I'll give you a close-up look at it. And the paper goes there, in between there. So let's try one, shall we? So it takes up to a maximum of 5 sheets of paper, and I have just got 5 of these that I want to put together. Okay. So it goes in here, shows the arrow shows there, look. Goes in there. I want to staple at the top and staple at the bottom of there. So, whoops. So let's try again. It's because I was holding the camera at the same time. So you have to push right down till it stops, and this back up. So look what's done. So it looks like. Very interesting. Let's turn it over. What does it look like on the back? Like that on the back. That's the one I damaged when it sprung open. So I'm just going to do another one in the middle there. See what it's like. You've got to give it a little wiggle to take it out. So there we go. It's not bad, is it? At least I'm not having to use metal staples, which are bad for the environment. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you that because it's very interesting. A lot of people have never seen one of these. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate the video, give it a thumbs down. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.